The service in Raleigh, it's Nick Petro with your routine Monday morning weekly briefing for Central North Carolina. We're going to go through the 29th of October in this briefing. And first, to start off with just a really nice satellite image and loop here. You could see temperatures very seasonable. Look at those readings climbing through the 50s in the Carolinas there. And mainly clear skies, a little bit of cirrus to our west. You'll notice that big blob of clouds there east of the Bahamas. That is Tammy. That's really not going to be an issue for us other than maybe sending a few long period swells back toward the Carolina coast that could, increase the risk for rip currents over the next few days. But generally speaking, we're in a very favorable weather pattern. So let's get to the slides. This is going to be a quick briefing because high pressure is going to be in control our weather through the entire week. So that means just really dry, favorable weather. So other than some patchy frost tomorrow morning and some fog, both tomorrow morning and Wednesday morning, other than that, this week's weather looks really, really nice. Just about as good as it gets. That's what I like about October. October is one of our driest months, if not the driest month of the year. And just spectacular, typical October fashion. I did have a little bit of frost this morning. So, tonight's going to be a few degrees even colder. So if you didn't have frost this morning when you woke up, you'll probably have it tomorrow morning when you get up to head out for the day. All right, so no severe thunderstorm threats this week. No flash flood threats this week. No rain this week. How about that? These are the rainfall maps, nothing. Drought, well, we have abnormally dry conditions and moderate drought there in the western part of the western half of the state. Tropical systems, well, there's an area of concerned weather there down in the southwest Caribbean. That's not going to be an issue for us. Tammy won't be an issue for us other than a few rip currents at the North Carolina beaches, but other than that, no direct impacts from Tammy for us. And as we head to next week, looks like temperatures will be near or maybe above average with precipitation near or above average as well. So again, this is a good time of the month with temperatures typically in the upper 60s to around 70 and lows in the mid 40s. This is our experimental graphical hazardous weather outlook, and this is a nice little graphic because it shows at a glance with the color coding what days, if any, there are going to be any weather hazards and what those hazards may be. And as I kind of mentioned already, a little bit of frost tomorrow morning and a little bit of fog tomorrow morning and Wednesday morning. Other than that, everything else is green. So that wraps it up. Look at those numbers down there at the bottom, moderating as we head through the week. If you got plans for this weekend, if you got outdoor plans this weekend, it doesn't get any better than lower 80s. So that's just going to be absolutely spectacular. Other than that, like I said, patchy frost tomorrow morning, some fog Tuesday and Wednesday morning. Other than that, real nice weather here this week for Central North Carolina.